Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. Today we're doing another Shein haul, but it's going to be beauty related, specifically for people who are trying to step up their makeup game, my professional makeup artists who are looking to stock their kit items, and none of it is actually really makeup, it's more like tools, which if you've been doing makeup for a while, you know that those are the kind of things that you really need to restock your kit. So I've been shopping for Shein Beauty for a while. I've gotten some of their makeup, I've gotten like a lot of like tools, bags, brushes, all the things. So they actually sponsored these products. So they let me pick out a few items and they sent them my way. So I'm going to show you what I got. And some of the things, I will list all of the search codes for these items. So you can easily just like either go to the link or go to search the code so you can find them. And I want to show you some of the other things that they didn't send me, but I've gotten from Shein in the past, or you can find there that I think are essential makeup artist refills. So I'm going to start with what isn't in my original haul. So definitely y'all need to get some disposables because you go through those so quick and they can be pricey if you don't get them from the right places. So for sure Q-tips, I know that seems like a basic, but we use Q-tips in makeup. Spoolies, like your mascara wands for brows, whatever you like to use these for. This is something you definitely want to get in bulk. Lip gloss wands, I use these for lips, lip moisturizer. So definitely get your disposables. And then if you are into using beauty blender type sponges, I have this huge bag. I actually bought these for a makeup convention. We gave these away for our Industry Makeup Academy. But you know you can't sanitize sponges. So you can just use it and gift it to your client and they'll love that. And also it's like sanitary as a makeup artist. So it's great to just buy a huge bag and you're good to go. And then a bag also of these puffs. So the velour triangle puffs, I use these with powder. I gift these to my clients too as a touch-up. I'll just put a little powder in them and put it in a little mesh bag. So speaking of that, buy your little mesh baggies to do touch-up kits for your clients. I bought those on Shein. So like you can pretty much find everything that you would need. If you buy it like on Amazon or from beauty supply stores, you can find it at Shein for a great deal. All right, so let's get into my haul. So one thing that I think every makeup artist needs is all of these little clear cases. This one is awesome because it has dividers. So this is where I would put those disposables in. Mascara wands, lip gloss wands, Q-tips, all the things. So that way you're organized and it's clear and wipeable. That's the key so you can see everything. And you just like close it, open it, take from it, put it back in your kit. So this seems like not exciting and glamorous, but it will keep you so organized. I ended up getting this little LED compact mirror because there are some times where I'm doing touch-up and I can't bring my big mirror and I can't bring my huge kit and I need a lighted, still a light so my clients can see themselves. So this one is like really small and it has the lights. It's battery operated. So it's got these kind of batteries in it though. So you're gonna have to buy the little circle batteries. You see them right here. So I'm gonna turn it on. This is great also for your personal makeup bag, travel for your purse. So look at that. So this is great to show your client, so they can see their makeup, especially if it's dark. And it also, the smart thing is it has a regular mirror side too, because sometimes the lights can be too bright. So they can look up close. And this is very convenient for travel. Like I said, your touch-up bag, this is really nice to have in there too. Something I've bought a lot from Shein are lashes, and surprisingly the quality is good, especially like for like your clients where you're just gonna put the lash on them and then they're gonna go. I recently have gotten into these little clusters. So do you see how they're short and they go to long? These are great for my clients who don't want a heavy strip lash. I can just put a couple and it looks super natural, or I can put these on top of an existing strip lash to kind of customize it. So yeah, you shouldn't spend a lot on these because like they're just little clusters and these are great for your makeup artist kit or if you're doing your own kind of like individual lashes. So definitely get you some lashes. This might seem weird, but I got a pack of like clear rhinestones. So these are stick on. I did a whole bunch of sugar skulls for Dia de los Muertos, Halloween. And then sometimes I'll do like, just like a fun look, like for my niece's homecoming, I did like little rhinestones. And these take up like no room. The fact that they're self-adhesive makes your life much easier. So like I just got the clear rhinestone ones just because they're kind of like, they go with every look. And yeah, these are a fun thing to add into your kit that don't take up a lot of space. You just literally slide them in the corner. Okay, so if you are washing brushes, makeup brushes, you know it's such a chore. And I have kind of like a little system down, but recently I got another bowl like this that was small, and I think that this is the way to go. So this folds flat, which is really convenient, so it doesn't take up any room if you need to travel or store it. But a bowl is the way to go, because if you put your soap in here, I just use Dawn dishwashing liquid, then you can just like lather, and then there's grippies on here, so it kind of gets the makeup off your brush, and you don't lose like and waste soap and water, because you can just kind of like it's almost like the dirty soap, and then you have the clean rinse, versus just like running through soap and water. You just keep it in here and wash the brushes. I think it's such a good idea. I have a small bowl, and I was like, I needed a big one that I had already bought from Shein, and they're so cheap. So, and because it's like this rubbery material, it's like reusable. And like I said, I love that it folds flat, because who wants to have like big storage bowls everywhere? So clean your makeup brushes, y'all. The grippies make a huge difference. And then I wanted to show you, this is actually the bag of sponges I got for this haul. I will definitely gift these to my clients. So these ones are these gorgeous colors. They're all like nudes. And some of them have the flat tip, which I like because I think that's good for pressing in. So yeah, there's many color sponge options, many styles. But yeah, these are such a great giveaway for clients. I don't use sponges all the time, but sometimes I do, and when I do, I give them away to my clients. This huge bag was such a great deal, and look how aesthetic it is, so pretty. Okay, so another thing that you need as a makeup artist is bags, lots of bags. And I always tell people clear acrylic bags, because then you can see and organize it. These are just like great for storing palettes, skincare, lippies. I would like put all of my concealers in here, all of my lipsticks. And you can't go wrong with these, like even for your personal travel, because you can actually see it and use it, and they're wipeable. So lots of little baggies that I have bought from Shein in different sizes to fit into my kit, including these two little bags. This was a 3-pack, by the way, and this was a 2-pack. So I thought this was such a good idea, because it has the little clip, the keychain clip, and I would just clip this onto my train case or my purse. And I have my business cards in here. You could also put your keys in here, like your lip moisturizer, you know, things that you need, like fast gum, so that way you're not digging around looking for things, because I can't have a big bag when I do my gigs. I can only have like my train case, my light, my chair, and then my little bag. So yeah, I have this, the 2-pack. I'm definitely gonna be clipping this onto my purse, as well as my train case. And the last bags I got, these ones are kind of more aesthetic, so for like your personal travel, or maybe if you like more like cutesy kind of things. This is a 4-pack. I thought this was so cute. One says stuff, one says skin, one says hair, and one says face. And I'm actually gonna gift these for Christmas to some of my family and friends, and I'm gonna put face and stuff in here, skin stuff in here. And it's like such a cute little gift. We love like labels, like I said, clear or labeled. So I'm gonna open it up so you can see it. I know my daughter loves this already, because it's pink and it's like cute furry. So it's a wipeable bag still. See, wipeable, but it's just got like, FYI, it's got like a little cute little Sherpa right here. So I thought that was such a good gift idea. And also great for personal travel when you're like, you know, going on a trip. Like keeping things sorted like that just makes your life so much easier. So yeah, like this is my Shein Beauty Haul for my makeup artists, my beauty lovers. I hope this was helpful. Like I said, I will link all the items, so that way you just literally put the search code into the search bar at Shein, or you can go to the link. And then I also have a coupon code, and savings. And remember, at Shein, there's always a coupon. Like, don't not use a coupon, because they always have them. And thanks to Shein for sending me these items. I'm not getting paid to do this video. They just sponsored the items. They let me pick a few things. And I'm definitely going to be using these for sure. So get these things now as part of the Shein Black Friday deals, early Christmas savings. And I have a guest who wants to say hello. Want to say hi?
Hi.
You want to introduce yourself?
My name is Bella.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, so Bella is being very quiet and patient. We're at my studio filming. She wanted to say hi. Do you like any of the items Mommy showed?
I do.
Which one's your favorite?
I go get it.
She's gonna go get it. She already took it. I knew she was gonna get it. Come on, bring it back so you can show everybody. What's your favorite item?
My favorite item is this one.
She likes the little baggie, yeah.
And I like this.
And the pink. I knew she would like that pink bag.
And this.
And the pink sponge, yes. I think that these little things are great for moms too. Like you can throw this on, like I said, on your purse. Like it's definitely good for mom like storage and stuff. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks to Shein for sending me these goodies. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao, Bellas.